Hey guys, it's me Austin again. We are in a new video. This time, there's a live event. Loot Lake is opening. Comment if you're hyped. I'm hyped. Nobody can kill anybody. And there's no fall damage. Oh my god, guys. This is it. The moment we've all been waiting for. The moment we've all been waiting for. Oh my god. Don't touch the mic. Oh, countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Opening! Open sesame! It's opening! It's happening! What is this? Oh my god. Guys, we are underneath Loot Lake. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. We can bring back a weapon? Tactical SMG. Duh. You have to destroy whichever weapon you want. Tactical SMG, of course. Ryan's just joined us in the Oh my god, guys, this is amazing. I'm mining the tactical SMG. Is this one? See, look on my screen. again. Why? Check out loot, Ryan. What? Comment if you're sad or not. I want to go in it again. Oh my god, guys. I've never seen anything like that before. Oh my god. Guys, this is the moment you've all been waiting for. Oh my god. Guys, tell everybody you know about this right now, or else this video is gonna stop. I swear to God. Oh my god, guys. That was awesome. Oh my god. Tilted's different. Retail got hit. It's okay, Ryan. At least we got to witness the live event. Yeah. Good gun, we all know and love. Back. The drum gun. No, it's actually the tactical SMG, but okay. Darn it! Sweet! Oh my god, guys. Comment if you love that or not. Well, goodbye. Say goodbye to the Tilted we all know and love. Say hello to the new Tilted.